Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Kunal Patel, and today, in continuation with our introductory lecture, in this particular video, we are going to learn about the life cycle of data science, right? So, in my first video, we have discussed about the particular definitions, what is data science, and what are the factors and the basic difference between data engineer, data analyst, and data scientist, right? So let's talk about the life cycle of data science, right? So there are five main steps we need to perform as a part of data science, right? So first is a data acquisition. Okay, in that you need to collect the data, you need to load the data. Second one is a data pre-processing. So as we have discussed in the first video, that whatever data we get, that particular data is a raw data. So that particular raw data is not as useful to train our model. So we need to fetch some important information and necessary data from the raw data. So for that, we need to perform data pre-processing task. After performing the data pre-processing task, we feed that particular data into our model. Okay. And based on our data, our model is going to train, right? After that, we are going to perform the pattern evaluation based on our model. And at last, we are going to represent that data in some form, right? So here it is known as the knowledge representation. So we are going to display our data in a graphs format or in any kind of means, right? So these are the basic steps in the life cycle of data science that we need to perform, right? After that, this is most commonly asked question by the everyone, that what is the basic difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the deep learning, right? So here, let's understand the basic difference between these three fields, that AI. So first, let's talk about the artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? So AI is the technique which enables machine to behave as a human, right? So robots and everything we have seen lots of sci-fi movies, okay, and we have heard about lots of robotic innovations, that the robots are actually behaves as a human. So that is the benefits of AI, artificial intelligence, right? So it enables the machine to think. Okay. Now let's come down that machine learning. So ML is the subset of AI, right? Which uses some statistical models to train the machine that improves the results with the experience. Okay, so here there are three types of algorithms we are going to learn, that is supervised, unsupervised learning, and the reinforcement learning. So based on the data given, or there are some models that without data it is going to be trained by themselves. Okay, so that particular things comes under the machine learning. So based on the data, based on the output, we are going to train our model, and it generates the program, it generates the model. That is the simple machine learning. And after that, further down, there is a deep learning, right? So deep learning is again a subset of machine learning, which uses the multi-layer neural network for the computation, right? So here in this multi-layer, multi-neural network architecture, we are going to use, right? So there are main three algorithms in these, that is ANN, CNN, and RNN. Okay, right? So if I want to go for the number data, right? I want to analyze I want to create the application based on the number data, then I can go for the artificial neural network. Okay. Second one is the CNN, and convolution neural network. Then whenever you want to deal with the applications which contains the image as a data, right? So image classifications and all such applications comes under this, then you can go for the CNN, right? And the recurrent neural network that deals with the time series data, that deals with the time series data. It is also known as the transfer learning, right? And all these particular terminologies comes under the data science. So at the root, at the top, there is a data science, and it contains these three major fields, right? So I hope now you all have a clear cut idea that what is AI, what is ML, and what is DL. Okay. So if you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more updated videos. In my next video, we are now actually going to talk about the machine learning. What is machine learning? What are the applications of machine learning and everything? Okay, take care. Bye.